ages since we have had one of these, and I would say in the past we've sold 20 to 25 of these Ford Ranger properly built Predator X vehicles. Now this is VAT qualifying, the price is plus VAT on a 73 plate, 25,000 miles in black. It has the Ranger bi-turbo 2-litre diesel engine, but it has the monstrous look that you get with the Predator X. Now, this vehicle has been built by Manchester Vans. There is a couple of companies in the UK who build these properly. This is a proper one. So it's got the arch extensions, it's got the suspension change. It has got this monstrous look to it with the underbody protection, the full black styling, this little red stripe through the bonnet decals, the light on the roof, the animated LED light bar. Look at the wheels, look at the tyres. If you're going to buy this, you're buying it for the monstrous road presence this gives you. We've got the Predator detailing to the centre caps. We've then got this lovely arch extension. It's massive, this thing. The SCZ Sportback. Again, you know, if you want this truck, there's not many around. There's not many for sale. This one is a great value. It's plus the VAT. And the conversion on these costs thousands of pounds. I do want to say it's about 19 to 20,000 pounds for the full conversion. Obviously the SCZ Sportback giving you this lift up style. We've got the load liner in the back, obviously a lighter tailgate from the Wildtrak, so it's easy to lift the rear, the decal to the rear, and then we've got the Manchester Van Centre little badge there who built this vehicle. Dark tail light, surround protectors on those tail lights as well, and it's just a very, very good looking vehicle. Now it's a 73 plate, so still has balance of Ford warranty remaining, and then we've got a Wildtrak at its base, so you've got the leather interior with the orange stitching, we've got the tablet screen, automatic gearbox, high range, low range gearbox. It's obviously a 4-wheel drive. And if I jump in, I'll show you some of these features. So in the Wildtrak, you get electric seat for driver, you get keyless start, you get cruise control, and then you get heated front seats, you get heated steering wheel. We've got the gearbox selector, or the drive mode selector just down here. Then you've got your short shift gear selector, so you've got reversing camera. You've also got a couple of views for that camera system. Down here, you've got heated front seat. You've also got heated steering wheel. So they do come with really nice features that you'll use every day. 25,354 miles on this one. Now, don't expect it to be in a brand new condition, because with 25,000 miles on a 73, it's lovely and you'll be really happy with it. And especially if you want something that's a little bit different, because that is this. I mean, if you look back round to this section of the car here, you'll see that the arches in it are massive. The wheels and tyres are absolutely massive. And you can see the LED light bar running now and the way it looks. You've also got the light bar on the roof. So if you're interested in this vehicle, my name's Richard. You can WhatsApp me or call me. It's the Predator X, the proper built one, which was a fortune at a great price. Thanks for watching.